That's where the fish are, so that's where that that's about.
So, the whole deal is, if you look at this and study this
What
and
about
figure
this
this
one?
out,
That is.
then you can think about it.
Right, where's it better?
Really, that's the deal. So you get to take the top. Now that, yes. Now that's enough. That's more than enough popcorn for hummingbird to fuel the flight across the Gulf Stream. For you,
That's fine. Do you know where the butterfly lives?
New Orleans all the way to Las.
That's fine. Butterflies
oh,
are
crap, I mean, they don't. Well, they generally come across to the Yucatan Peninsula, but some of them
here.
go
This
over.
one is an animal. That's a plant.
And, but imagine that 600 miles non-stop. They can fly like 26, 28 hours. And they only use that many calories, as much as in, a quarter cup like you have.
Evolution.
Right? And here we are